Axial skeleton facial bones. We have 14 total facial bones. We have 2 maxilla bones, and they are located in this green area, the maxillar bones. And the alveolar process is the ridge of bone that contains tooth sockets. So these black markings are the alveolar process, one on the top of the teeth and one at the bottom. We have 2 nasal bones, which are these 2 red markings, one on the right side, one on the left side. The zygomatic bone is this bone right here, the zygomatic bone, which is the blue marking, this whole bone. And this orange is actually the zygomatic arch, and it is formed by the temporal bone and the zygomatic bone. We have the vomer, which is an unpaired facial bone, and it's located on the mid-sagittal line right here. And the vomer bone is actually forms the nasal septum. The nasal septum is formed by the vomer and the ethmoid bone, and the ethmoid bone is this part right here, right here. The inferior nasal concha is indicated with the inside black markings on both sides of the nasal cavity right there. And the inferior nasal concha allows air to enter through the nose and out of the nose. So the last part we have is the mandible, which is known as the lower jaw bone. The body is basically the front part of the lower jaw that holds the front teeth here. And the angle is right here. This area right here is the angle of the mandible, the red. The ramus is this brown indicator right here. This is the ramus of the mandible. The mandibular condyle is this. It's right here, indicated by the green color. The blue right here is the mandibular notch. And last but not least, we have the crinoid process of the mandible. And these are the facial bones.